This is a $16 noodle bowl from a premium shop, but today we're putting it to the ultimate test. I'm going to be creating 2 massive restaurant quality bowls for just $10 total, saving you some serious cash on lunch. But not only that, I'm going to be infusing our dressing with a special ingredient. Something you can't find in an ordinary plastic container in the store. We're going to give your lunch bowl a serious upgrade. I'm really excited to get started and of course enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Here's the rainbow gallery on our counter waiting to become a masterpiece. I'll slice up our red bell pepper, remove the pith and seeds. I'm also doing the same with our yellow bell pepper. We'll get our carrots sliced up into matchstick pieces. I'm slicing up the shallots and I'm going to transform them. I'll tame their sharp bite and make them sing with elegance. By submerging them in rice vinegar, we mellow out our shallots. Maintaining the wealth of our ginger, I'm using a simple spoon to scrape away the paper-thin skin. I'm slicing our royal purple cabbage. Then I'll slice these pieces into strips. With the snow peas, I bypass the knife completely. Grasp the tip, snap it down, and pull down the fibrous string. Do this on both sides. This provides a flawless, crisp bite. Next, I'm slicing our cilantro. This will give our bowl a clean, vibrant lift. I'm slicing our basil to add a fresh, sweet aroma. I'll be finishing this dish with black sesame seeds. Consider the passphrase, open sesame. Many know this from the famous legendary tale of Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. But there's actually a little bit of a hidden linguistic riddle to it. Sesame comes from the Greek word susami and the Hebrew sumsum, and even further back to the Babylonian word shamash shamu, which literally means oil plant. Scholars believe that this magical passphrase was a clever play on words. In the Hebrew tradition, Hashem is a reverent replacement word for the divine. By using a word that sounded like a sacred talisman, storytellers created a magical password that would crack open a sealed vault. And it's a perfect physical metaphor. A single sesame plant can yield a treasure of up to 10,000 sesame seeds hidden away in those tiny green pods. Once a plant becomes perfectly ripe, the pods dry out and they split from the top down, cracking open and releasing a treasure. And the treasure is truly useful. Sesame seeds contain copper, manganese, and healthy fats to shield your joints and lower your blood pressure. So just like that, with a single final sprinkle, we're unlocking our magical dish and adding even more nutrition to it. I'm gonna add a zesty burst of citrus with our fresh lime juice. I'm going to drain our rice vinegar from our shallots. I've added it to a saucepan and I'm adding our dried lime leaves. Our heat is set to low. You might have to add a bit more rice vinegar. With this infusion, we're marrying that savory shallot base with floral botanical depth. You can see the steam is coming up, so I'm taking it off the heat, setting it aside, and keeping it covered. I'm steaming our mung bean sprouts. This should only take a couple minutes or so. We want them to be tender crisp. When they're ready, we'll plunge them into an ice water bath. Today we're using sweet potato noodles, which actually tells an amazing story of survival. Back in the 18th century in Korea, during crop failures, sweet potatoes were a literal lifesaver because they could grow in the tough soil. Someone realized that the starch could be extracted and you could create amazing, glossy, bouncy glass noodles. So you're not just getting grain-free nutrition, you're eating a piece of history. Now onto our base, our Korean sweet potato noodles. They come in large bundles, so one bundle is perfect for 2 large servings. Our pot of water is already boiled, so we're adding in our noodles. Gently push them down. Keep in mind, these are not like spaghetti noodles that you can simply snap in half. They'll start to get softer and it will be easier to submerge them fully. Use tongs to press them into the pot. This should only take 4 or 5 minutes. When they're done, drain them and rinse them with cold water. Use scissors to cut them up and make them more manageable. Now onto our dressing. We begin the emulsion with a velvety base of peanut butter, cutting through this with bright acidity of our lime juice, elevating things with our lime leaf infused rice vinegar. Now for a warming kick of freshly grated ginger. Microplaning our garlic adds a punchy, savory depth. It's all about layering those aromatics. We add a salty, umami element with our dark tamari. We pour in a sweet stream of maple syrup. Adjust the sweetness to your liking. Add water to thin it out to a pourable, workable consistency. I added a touch more rice vinegar. A final note of toasted sesame oil adds beautiful nutty roundness, instantly pulling every individual flavor together into one complete comforting blend. Now it's plating time. Divide your noodles evenly amongst the bowls. Arrange your ingredients separately for presentation or feel free to just mix them up, ending with our cashews, chopped peanuts, our cilantro and basil. The dressing sits in the center. This keeps the bowl beautifully clean and allows everyone to pour exactly how much they want. Final sprinkle of black sesame seeds, our own open sesame. That finishing striking detail that unlocks all the textures and colors we've built. It's that time again, everyone. We get to try our Asian sweet potato glass noodle bowl with our Velvety Peanut-Lime Dressing. Just pour it all on. We're gonna mix it up. We have so many exciting ingredients in here. Give it a good mix. I had all the colors separated for presentation, but you do want to mix it up. So feel free at home, if you're not taking any photos, you can just mix it all together. Woo. It's a perfect combination of flavors. It's tangy, it feels really satiating. You can taste those fragrant notes from those dried lime leaves infused into the rice vinegar. So delightful. Aside from creativity, putting your own spin on things, you may begin to realize with a few deliberate choices, carving out a little bit of time, and the right passphrase, you can completely transform your day-to-day routine. If you like this recipe and it inspired you to make your own version of one of those expensive pre-made bowls, drop me a line down below. I'm always interested in hearing from you. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!